Tent camping is one of the most enjoyable and thrilling methods to get away from the hustle-bustle of the city. Through tenting, the campers can experience more relief and closer to nature. If you're making plans to have one with your group or children, be sure that you put together your items and plan the activities for your tent camping journey. The following tent camping recommendations can serve as your manual for your camping trip. These pointers may be of great help to campers, particularly for the novice ones. Plan ahead. Tent camping can provide you more fun and much less worry if you plan your journey beforehand. When planning your camping spree, become aware of first who will move and where to go. The items and varieties of equipment that you will bring have to be properly planned, and so with the activities and the camp location. You can use the alternative tent camping hints whilst doing all your plans. Set your camp location. The place of your campsite needs to be given a lot of attention that allows you to have comfortable and secure camping, especially all through the nighttime. It is nice to camp in places that are secluded from crowds of people and in the sites that offer great views of nature. Water sources and the wind in the region have to also be taken into consideration. Campfires could make the nights in camps more exciting, and you cannot do that if you select an area that has strong winds. Choose your tenting equipment and sorts of equipment. It is really helpful for novices to bring only mild packs whilst making plans for a camp, specifically in faraway locations. You must get only the most essential varieties of equipment. The use of multi-purpose forms of equipment is a great thought. Bringing unnecessary items can only add up to your load and can consume extra space on your backpacks. Make a checklist of the sorts of equipment wanted for your camp. The checklist helps you to become aware of your wanted equipment and to ensure that you do not go away without any of them. You can check your list before you visit the site and before you go back home. Prepare your protection plan, just in case. Having a safety plan figured out can make you and your group secure all during the camp duration. Include to your safety plan the closest hospitals and police stations wherein you could search for assistance should you face any difficulty during the camp. Arrive at the site early or during the day. Arriving at the site during the day can provide you and your group more time to become familiar with the vicinity and to prepare your tent and different styles of equipment. Doing all these kinds of things during the day can give you a relaxing first night time at the camp. Bring only easy-to-cook dinner or pre-prepared foods. Outdoor cooking may be very distinct from cooking inside your kitchen. Here you do not have tons of time to do the cutting of the ingredients, so better bring pre-chopped items. Make sure that you maintain perishable goods in sealed boxes to prevent untimely spoilage. Just take into account that you're in the camp to relax and not to worry about what is in your camp. Enjoy!